Hey guys, my mom is here today, and today we're gonna do some donut pops. And now let's get started.
What are your ingredients?
I have some candy milk, see, and I have some. Let me show you the colors. I have yellow, and blue, and red, and green. And now this is gonna be the donuts. And see donuts. And now we're going to see this. Now we're going to go melt the chocolate, and we're gonna be right back. Okay? And my daddy's gonna cut the sticks
To put in the donut holes?
to put in the donut holes, and we're just gonna make a hole. One is gonna make a hole, and then the rest are gonna be put in the donut holes. And now we're gonna put some donuts on the tray.
How many?
6.
How about 12?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. How many is that? Is our chocolate ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, let's put sticks in each one and get ready to dip them in chocolate.
Let's put these in. Hey guys, we're ready to color the chocolate. Now, let's color the chocolate now. Now, this is gonna be yellow. You think that it needs to be a little more yellow, and now I'm gonna add more food coloring. 1 drop. More yellow. Now, I'm gonna dip the donuts, guys, okay?
Now be careful, this bowl is warm.
Look at that. It's coming out well.
Which color of sprinkles would you like to use first?
Red, please. Sprinkles are gonna be, these K-pops are gonna be yummy. The yummiest snack you ever had in the world.
So it looks like your donut cake pops are complete. Let's show the kids what they look like now.
Really big thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. If you like it, then thumbs up if you like it. Push that subscribe button over there.
Which button?
The subscribe button if you like it. Push the subscribe button if you like it. Bye.